Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to manage extensions on Chrome browser, or you can say how to install, uninstall, enable, disable or remove extensions on Chrome browser. You might be using Chrome browser on Windows 10 or 11 and you using Chrome and want to install or whatever you want to do with extensions on Chrome. This video will help you. So all you have to do is first open your Chrome browser on your PC and then search for Chrome Store. Chrome Store and click on the first link, Chrome Web Store. I will also copy this link on this video description so that you can directly access this Chrome Store for extensions. Here click on this one, extensions, and on the right you can see several types of extensions are available for you that you can click and read about it, and if you need it you need to click on add to Chrome, and if you know the name of the extension then you can directly type here such as add block and click on its entry. Then on the right you will find related extensions that you have searched. For instance, I want to install AdBlock for YouTube, then you need to click on it. You can read about more here under overview, and then you need to click on add to Chrome button. This will open a pop-up window. Here you need to click on add extension. This will download and install extensions, selected extensions on your PC that will be enabled by default. And to view which extensions are installed on your Chrome browser, for that open the Chrome browser and click on three dots on the right side, and here select more tools and then extensions. Here you can see I have just installed AdBlock for YouTube and it is enabled by default. To disable this, if you want to disable and don't want to remove extensions on Chrome browser, then just turn off the toggle switch beside the extension. And to enable, again you need to click on toggle switch beside extensions. If you want to remove or uninstall any extension from your Chrome browser, then you need to click on this one, remove button. This will remove extensions from your Chrome browser. And one more thing, if you want to allow any extensions in your incognito window, or you can say private window, such as if you want to open an incognito window on your Chrome browser, then first you need to open Chrome browser and then on the taskbar Chrome icon right click on it and select here new incognito window. This will open an incognito window. By default, extensions that you install on your browser that are not activated or enabled on your Chrome browser that you open in incognito. So you need to enable it first. For that, you need to access extensions, and here you need to click on details button. Here scroll down and you will find allow in incognito. Here you need to turn on toggle switch. This will enable incognito. This will enable extension in incognito window also. As you can see here, clicking on this one icon, you can see I have just activated Grammarly in my Chrome incognito window, and you can see it here. I can access it without any issues on my incognito window of Chrome browser. That's all about this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you.